Alright, so I hit the starter. Didn't do anything. So it's right there. You can see it. It's right here. So you can see it's right here. I try hitting it, tapping it. You know, try to do all that, but nothing. So it does. Same noise. I don't know what it is.